Okay, today is 20 December 2025, and this video is for Future Evil. And I know, man, you're gonna watch this video, and I just want to talk about five. I'm just gonna talk about 5 minutes. Uh, so right now I'm 20 years old, and in the last 2 years, I had a beautiful of my life. You know, at the end of the 2024, I bought my dream car CLS. At the end of the 2025, at the first of the 2025, I get funded 200K funded. At the end of the 2025, I bought this Porsche. Now I'm about to buy a penthouse. So everything is going well. But you know, when I look at myself, I never enjoyed my life at this moment. I hope you do, because all of this suffering, working 24-hour, no friends, no hanging out, no party, no clubbing. I'm just sacrificing this for you, just for you, man. That's it. And the only request, I have two requests. I know you're gonna watch this video, and I know at the time you're gonna watch this video, you bought the third car, Lamborghini. I'm sure, gray matte Lamborghini, and 100% you're gonna be more charismatic. You're gonna be more rich. You're gonna be more successful. You're gonna hit 100K follower on Instagram. You're gonna hit 10K in YouTube minimum at least, and you're gonna have a lot of successful students in the trading industry, and people gonna love you because you showed them the realities out of the trading. I have only two requests, my man. I just have only two requests. The first one is, let's buy mama a car. She deserve it. Let's buy a baba a car, the dad a car. You know, he deserve it. Let's buy him a Mercedes Benz S Class. And my last request is, bro, I didn't able to enjoy my life since I start trading, start working hard, start to make money from 15 years old. The only request, that's my last wish, it's I'm still gonna sacrifice my time, my energy to basically build the future, build the build the thing that you are in right now. Lamborghini, houses, more money, being famous in this country here, being famous in the trading industry, pushing out a lot of content. My last request is, bro, I didn't able to enjoy it, and I want you to enjoy it instead. Make a lot of friends. Make a lot of group of friends. Go enjoy. Go to a trip. I can go a trip right now, but I don't go. The reason is I'm putting that money in the market instead to basically make more money. I'm sacrificing all thing right now, so you've been able to have a great life. My last request, bro, the last, just enjoy the life. Make a lot of group of friends, a loyal friend, and a high value friend. When I say a high value friend, a people that they are same in your mindset, that they are working hard as you, they are rich like you, they are successful in the young age. Don't go and just hanging around with the 55 fucking years old rich. And enjoy the life. I didn't able to enjoy it, and that's it. This is my all of these three requests, man. I mean, I'm sacrificing a lot right now, bro. I mean, I'm in a way that I really get tired of money and the life because I'm 20 years old, bro. What in the life 20 years old want? We have Porsche, two car, Mercedes Benz, Porsche, a penthouse. I'm going to pay it full in cash. But the only thing that I want, bro, just buy a mama car, buy a dad a Mercedes S Class, and enjoy the life. Make a lot of group of friend, a high value friend, and that's it. And always be like this. That show the realities out of the trading to people, even if they don't like, even if those people they don't like to see the realities out of trading, because most of the trader people in the trading industry audiences they want to see the, let's say, the Lamborghini, the cars, the lifestyle. But I've been that person that I was showing my losses, my wins, my downside. Please, please, please keep going and don't try to change your method that just focus on lifestyle. No, no, no. Show the people reality side of the trading. Show each of your losses. Show each of your downfall, and 100% enjoy the life, bro. I'm so happy that I'm doing this for you, and I'm sure you're gonna get it back. You're gonna give it back, all back, 100% to me by enjoying the life, and to my mom, to our mom, and to our dad, and that's it, bro. Keep going and enjoy the life, man. We're gonna, are we going to see you in next few year? Are we going to in that place? Don't disappoint me, bro. Don't disappoint me, and I'm not gonna disappoint you. Cheers.